Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft account login error. Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard typing multiple letters if it is pressed once. So first thing first, what you have to do is come below at the search bar and type in keyboard itself. You will see it under control panel, open it. Now as you do that, you will see keyboard properties and you will see what is there in your screen. So if it's all the way to the long, you have to make it closer to the long. And likewise, make sure this is also fast. And if you would like to see the blinking more, you can also select fast as well. Once done, select apply and then OK. Now, see if this fixes a problem. If it's still not working, come below at the search bar again, type in device manager. You will see it under control panel, so go ahead and open it. Now wait for this page to be loaded. And likewise, you will see something related with keyboard. If you cannot find it, select anything, type in key, you will see keyboard. Expanded, you will see a keyboard right here. Right click onto it, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Once done, close it. Now lastly, go ahead, restart a device. Try again and it will fix the problem.